Yeah, so these are random characters, not proper names, but that's okay. And this is a random number generator between 19 and 23, which is the age. Let's say you've already built a mobile app or a web app and you have designed something to show list of things. Now you want to see whether that is working fine or not, but you don't have the data and you don't have the patience to add multiple records onto your database. So is there a way where you can get this data in a simple format so that you can just upload it and you have list of things that's needed as per the data structure that you have created in your app? Welcome to day 179 of 1000 days of no code challenge. To get the data, there are 3 common options available. First, you could search for public datasets, but most of the time that might not match exactly what you're looking for. Second, you could try scraping some data, but it might take some time, and also you might be crossing some legal lines. And third, you could build the dataset yourself, which is way too much time consuming and boring. So I was searching for a better way, and that's when I came across Graphite Node, an AI tool that generates the whole dataset based on your requirement. So let's test it out and see if it lives up to its expectation. So to begin, we can go to graphitenode.com/free AI tools/ML dataset generator. Now this has a lot of other features as well, but this particular feature is free to use. Also, our team has noticed that when you try to create your account and then use it, it'll ask you for 7 days free trial, but you could use it even without logging in and you'll get the required dataset. So here we can give our prompt, and I have a prompt ready, which is generate a dataset of 200 students with name, age, grade, and passed or failed, right? And I'll click on get dataset. Please note that these are dummy data just for testing purpose, nothing else. It'll take a few seconds and our data is ready, right? So you can see we have the name, age, grade, passed or failed, right? So what it does is it gives us about 20 records, and it gives us Excel formulas which can be used to generate the name, age, grade, passed or failed, right? We can just use these formulas to get the data ready. So for example, if I go to sheets.new, so name, age, grade, and let's say result. So the first formula that we have is equals to char. Curious how this works. Yeah, so these are random characters, not proper names, but that's okay. And this is a random number generator between 19 and 23, which is the age, a random number between 50 and 100. And finally, we have formula which checks if anything below 60 is failed, 60 and above is passed. Now, once we have this, I can just drag and drop, right? And we get a whole different set of data. You can drag it until whatever number of records you need and just copy paste, or you can download it as CSV and upload it into your code, right? So that's how this platform will help you to generate dummy data. Now, you also have like use case definition, expected outcomes. The goal of this use case is to predict whether a student has passed or failed based on their age and grade scores. This information could help educators identify students who may need additional support. Recommended ML model and justification. So it gives you some details there. It also gives you some data set breakdown. How do you break it down and stuff like that, right? And you have implementation steps and practical consideration. You have post-deployment insights, common pitfalls, right? What are some of the common pitfalls that the developers fall into, okay, while doing this kind of data structuring or database creation, like data leakage risks, interpretability challenges, regulatory concerns, right? And finally, it also gives us references and additional learning resources, right? So this is a very quick way for generating the dataset that you are looking for testing your application. So If you ever are building an application and need some dummy data, then Graphite.note could be your best bet. You just describe what you need and the data is readily available for you within few seconds. So do give it a try and share your thoughts on what was the data set like. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.